by means of GPEM for Fashion Aspirants channel. Myself Dr. Bindu Chaturvedi. Today I'll take topic draping and the paper first pattern making and dress designing of BA BCom BSc part 2nd GPEM. Draping is a technique of pattern making. Now let me explain you in detail. Draping introduction. Draping is also a method of pattern making where in a muslin cloth is used to drape over a dress form or a model. It is three-dimensional process of pattern making. Draping allows the designer to freely and accurately express his or her ideas. Proportion of design details can be related to human body and their effect is clearly visible. The medium for draping is usually muslin, plain weave fabric of unfinished cotton. The direction of grain is easily visible and its relatively low cost permits free use for experimentation. The pattern maker simply constructs a pattern by pinning and manipulating fabric onto an appropriately sized model dress form. Draped pattern can be marked with pencil lines and the finished muslin pattern can be used repeatedly. This often requires more material and time than flat pattern method, but can be far less frustrating. It affords the pattern maker the luxury of putting fabric on and examining how it looks and hangs over the hangs before finalizing the design. No bodice block measurements and special steps of adoption are required. Tools and equipment needed. Dress form or a model, you can call it mannequin. Type of muslin, a coarse weave of medium weight used by the beginners because the grain is easily recognized. A lightweight finely woven fabric used for soft draping. A heavyweight firmly woven fabric used for draping tailored garment. This is also known as toile muslin. Scissors, measuring tape, plastic ruler, French curve, hip curve, L shape, L square, dressmaker's pins, tracing wheel, tracing paper, pencils, style tape. Dress form or model. This one is called as dress form or model. In this you can see various parts of mannequin, shoulder line, neckband, armhole, princess line, bust point, or you can call it BP, apex, then center front, waistline, horizontal balance line and side seam. Then we come to merits. You can easily visualize the effect of style when draped on the dress form. Design and style can be modified if unappealing and unattractive. Designer can express her skill and creativity freely. Usually fits accurately. Demerits. Expensive method. Dress form is essential. Dress form with different sizes is needed. Unsuitable for commercial production. Possibility of wastage of cloth. Coarser and thicker fabrics are not suitable for draping. Process is elaborate and time consuming. Suitable only for production of designer garments. Hope you understand. Thanks.